Day 3 was a Karnak Temple tour with Dr. Waziri and an amazing lecture and a private tour of Luxor at night.
Welcome to Luxor. Welcome to Karnak. I spent almost all of my life here. 25 years in Luxor. I swear, 4 months and 10 days, we found the tomb of Usirhat, 1,400 statues, wooded coffins and mummies, and it was really great discovery.
1982. Robin system. Can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, Ramses II statue? Ramses II? Ramses II. The late guy, chief of the workers in Karnak in 1982, he did something good at the time, which is not good. What did he do? To move the statue from the village over there and to bring it here.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, Karnak is not a temple. What? That's why we call it Karnak Temples. We have here more than 20 temples, shrines, kiosks, chapels. Oh yeah. So that's why we call it Karnak Temples. Yes, the temples of Karnak. One of the temples is this one. Egyptians in ancient time, they had what we call it the royal family, or the sacred triads, father, mother, and the child. Who is the big Baba here? He's the king of the gods. What's his name? Amun-Ra. Say the name again.
Amun-Ra.
How about his wife? She's the goddess Mut. The goddess?
Mut.
How about their son? He is the god Khonsu. The god?
Khonsu.
The god of the moon. This temple, ladies and gentlemen, is the temple of the god Khonsu, the god of the moon. This temple was constructed by the king Ramses III. He did die before finishing the work. No problem. Ramses IV, he did continue. Ramses XI, Herihur. They spent 200 years of constructing this Khonsu temple, ladies and gentlemen. I have something to say. With my respect for all the different religions, I don't care. Muslim, Christian, Jew, I don't care. But during the Roman time, Christianity started. Roman people didn't like it. So they start punishing the Christians by offering their bodies alive in a big stadium. To the lions, the dancers, to the lions, to be eaten, to be killed, to be scared. Christians were so scared. Alexandria, they came here to hide. But at the same time, they were scandalized by those half-naked parts of the women with their own transparent clothes. So they've got their own hammers, and then they start defacing all the faces and all the naked parts of the body. Look at them, the scenes everywhere. You can see the faces, the arms, the legs, all defaced. This temple, ladies and gentlemen, was well painted and well decorated. You can see remains of colors. Even the ceiling. But it was too high to reach. What? It was too high to reach. So they made a big fire. The smoke of the fire went up, covered the entire ceiling with this suit up there. A couple of years ago, we said, can we make a try? Can we take this out? Maybe you can find original colors beneath it. In fact, we did. But before we start working, we have to make an example. Test.
Ramses!
And then I would say, ladies and gentlemen, I have a coffin for whom his body fixed perfectly. I'm gonna give it to him. He tried with Mustafa. Mustafa was too short. He tried with this gentleman, it was gone. So once his brother, he lay down in the coffin, he sealed the coffin and he threw it in the Nile. But he started thinking again, evil guy. No, this guy who was the lover of animals, the lover of fishes, the lover of man, maybe they will save him. So I will get his body back again, and then I have to cut his body into 14 pieces. And he scattered those 14 pieces throughout Egypt, starting from Philae in Aswan, till the head when it was found in Abydos, 180 kilometers away from here. Look at the wife, Isis. She started crying, asking the god of the Nile, Happy, to help her of collecting the 14 parts of her husband's body. She got her own felucca, sailboat, and she started searching, sailing. Oh, here is one piece. Here is the second one. Here is the third. Anyhow, she found only 13 pieces, and one more piece, ladies and gentlemen, it was disappeared. Who can guess what is this?
The phallus.
And in fact, yes, it was the manhood of the god Osiris, and it was eaten by the catfish. That's why in ancient times it was completely forbidden for the Egyptians to eat the catfish, because the catfish ate the sacred parts of the god Osiris. Anyhow, Isis, she made an artificial manhood of wax. And she made love with the spirit of the god Osiris. She became pregnant of her own son, Horus, the falcon. Horus.
The phallus.
Good to see you.
Had a
Thank you.
wonderful time.
Thank you. And I hope to see you again here.
Thank
of
you
course.
so much. $3,300 old, that
Even
paint.
the white background paint. Look at the red paint. Did you take a photo as you go this way, please? House, Her, Horus, the house of Horus, that's the meaning of it. We talk about the many times. So this little triangle is created for the so that is the last jewel used in antiquity, and the original manuscript is found in the distance of it.
Day 3, from dusk until late evening, we saw all these amazing wonders of Egypt. Wait until day 4.